Okay, I will tell you notes. Okay. Barilaka. Notes I will explain, guys. Now we are going to discuss about JavaScript executor, JavaScript executor. You guys are observe. If you want to apply the click action, the time the click action is not working, we need to do the actions. The actions is not working, we need to apply the JavaScript executor. Okay. See, JavaScript executor, there is no existing commands. There is no existing commands. Like when you guys are put the dot, the time some existing commands it should be displayed. So here there is no existing commands. If you want to write a JavaScript command, manually we need to write the JavaScript command. Okay. See how you guys are able to write the JavaScript command. The first one is the how to click on element. How to click on element. Before click on the element, before click on the element, I will explain syntax of the JSC. Syntax of the JSC. See, the Java script executor JSC equals to Java script executor driver. This is the syntax of the JavaScript executor. Okay. And after that, if you want to click on any element by using JavaScript executor, first of all, we need to get the locator driver dot. First of all, we need to get the locator driver dot find element by dot id, and you guys are provide here web element we, web element we. Okay, web element we. See, I stored the click on action, the button, the submit button inside of the we. See, this is submit button related information. I stored the submit button related information inside of the we. If I want to handle the click without first type and second type, I need to use the JavaScript executor. How I need to use the JavaScript executor? What is the object name? JSE. JSE dot execute script. JSE dot execute script bracket. Within the bracket, you guys are provide arguments dot click. Argument dot click colon comma and after that, whatever you provide, this variable you need to call here. This variable we need to call here. So that is the command. If you guys are miss any colon or any command, if you guys are miss any colon or comma, full stop, the command is not executed, that is not showing the error. So if you want to write the command, JavaScript command properly, you can able to write. This is the how to click on any element by using JavaScript executor. The next one, how to send the data. How to send the data. Basically, if you want to send the data by using type 1, driver dot find element by dot send keys we are able to use. The second option, act obj dot send keys and variable name and expected data dot perform we need to provide. Okay, so that is also not working. How you guys are able to provide the data? See, by using JavaScript executor, dot value equal to within the single code, I need to send my email ID @gmail.com, and after that I need to put the colon, after that I need to provide and comma and comma, and just I need to provide here send, just I need to provide here send. This is the process if you want to send the data. For example, if you want to send the data, driver dot find element by dot send keys we are able to use. That is the one process. The next process, driver dot find element by dot id. That id we need to store inside of the one variable. You need to call the actions act obj dot send keys, variable name and expected data we need to provide. Yeah, dot perform. That is not working. You guys are able to use this command. Arguments dot value and email ID, send variable name, and the next one, send data, done. If you want to do the scrolling top to bottom, bottom to top, if you want to do the scrolling like this, see, like this, like this, okay. If you want to do the scrolling top to bottom, bottom to top, how you guys are able to do the top to bottom, bottom to top? Just you guys are write a JavaScript executor, and after that you guys are provide JavaScript, JavaScript executor, Java execute script, window dot scroll to 0 comma document dot body, document dot body, scroll height, and you need to close. This is the process, top to bottom, top to bottom. Okay, if you want to do the scrolling top to bottom, we need to use this process. The next one, how to do the bottom to top, how to do the bottom to top. If you want to do the bottom to top, it is very easy. Window dot scroll to, you guys are remove this one, you guys are provide 0 here. Top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top. For example, top to bottom, okay, bottom to top, okay, but our expected element is there in middle of the page. Our expected element is there in middle of the page. The time what we need to do, you guys are able to understand? See, top to bottom, bottom to top, okay. So our expected element is there here. You want to click on this one, so the time what we need to do, expected, you need to scroll down to expected element, then click on this one. If you want to handle this type of elements, how you guys are able to write a code? See, how to scroll to expected element. If you want to scroll to expected element, we need to use JavaScript executor, driver, JavaScript executor, window dot scroll by. See, your expected element is there in middle of the page. You can provide 0 to 1000. See, whenever you provide 0 to 1000, you are unable to reach to your expected element. For example, you are here 0 to 1000. The time you need to increase the size 1100. For example, if you guys are provide 1200, your expected element is cross. The time you need to provide 1100. Okay, see, this is the process. This is the process. And after that, you need to provide colon, double code, and colon. This is we call how to do the scrolling to expected element. Yeah. The next one, how to get the title by using JavaScript executor. If you want to get the title, what is the process? Yeah, we have a process is there, driver dot get title. So if I want to get the title, JavaScript executor return dot document dot title, return dot document dot title dot toString, return dot document dot title toString. This is the process if you want to get the title. The next one, how to get the page SRC. How to get the page SRC. If you want to get the page SRC, JSE execute script, return document dot document element dot inner text colon dot toString. This is the process. If you want to get the page source code, return document dot document element dot inner text dot toString. This command you need to store inside of the one variable. That variable you need to call system.out.println. Then you are able to get the page source code. Is it clear? Yeah. The next one, how to do the refresh. If you want to do the refresh, in previous, do we have any command? What is that command? Driver dot driver dot navigate driver dot navigate dot refresh, not to driver dot navigate dot to dot not refresh. No. Driver dot navigate dot refresh. Okay. Driver dot navigate dot to. If you want to navigate to one browser to another browser, we need to provide inside of the two one more URL. Okay. If you want to back to your parent window, we need to provide that one. Is it clear? Okay. The next one, how to do the refresh. JSC equal to JavaScript executor. If you want to do the refresh, history.go. History.go. If you want to do the refresh, history.go, inside of the go, we need to provide the 0. This is the command if you want to do the refresh. Okay. And how to create the custom alert. Your own alert you need to create. How? When you guys are launch the browser, the time it should be displayed one alert. What is that alert? Mr. Anil, welcome to Amazon. I want to create like that. Okay. If I want to create, How to create the alert? JavaScript executor, alert, yeah, colon, double code. This is, okay, not required. Yeah, this is we call how to create the custom alert. If I want to create a custom alert, once I launch the browser, in this browser, it should be displayed Mr. User, welcome to Amazon. It should be displaying. The next one, if you want to highlight only this border, basically if you want to highlight the border, what we need to do, you need to do the snipping tool. Okay, by using snipping tool, you need to take the expected screen, just you need to provide highlight. Okay, just we need to provide highlight. So this screenshot we are able to provide to the developer. I no need to do this action, just I need to close. Same like if I want to do the highlight my expected any box, I need to highlight through my code. How to highlight the expected element? If you want to highlight the expected element, JavaScript executor, argument 0 dot style equal to within the single code border colon 5 pixel border colon 5 pixel. We need to provide solid red border colon 5 pixel. We need to provide solid red colon, that's it. Where we need to provide the solid red here, comma we. For example, I want to highlight this password. If I want to highlight this password, okay, arguments dot style border 5 pixel solid red. Okay, where I need to highlight this one, I need to highlight this is the username, this one I need to highlight. It is clear? Total how many commands? Total 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is the JavaScript executor. If you want to do the any action, we are able to do the action by using JSE. Every 10, these are all 10 commands I will execute. Okay, these are all 10 commands I will execute. Before execute the commands, I will clarify, I need to verify this command is correct or not. After that I will verify. Okay, yes, now you guys are write down. Enter is done, escape is done. Put the heading enter. Paste, write down. If we want to apply, if we want to apply any action, if we want to apply any action, if we want to apply any action, we are able to use click. If we want to apply any action, we are able to use click method. We are able to use click method. Full stop. Sometimes the click is not working. Sometimes the click is not working. We need to apply the, sometimes the click is not working. We need to apply the enter action from our keyboard. Enter action from our keyboard. From our keyboard. Okay. This is also, next line. This is also not working. This is also not working. We need to use JSC. This is also not working. We need to use JSC. Next heading. What is the next one? Huh? Yeah. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. If you want to perform, if we want to perform drag and drop action, if we want to perform the drag and drop action, first of all, we need to verify. If you want to do drag and drop action, first of all, we need to verify the expected elements, the expected elements. First of all, we need to verify the expected elements. First of all, you need to verify the expected elements is there inside of the frame or HTML. The expected element is there inside of the frame or HTML. frame or HTML. Next line. If it is if it is in frame, if it is in frame, we need to write frame command. We need to write frame command. We are able to handle the frame. We are able to handle the frame. Next line. First, we need to get the drag related locator. First, we need to get the drag related locator, drop related locator. First, we need to get the drag related locator. First, we need to get the drag related locator, drop related locator, comma. Both we need to store inside of one variable. Drag related locator, drop related locator. Both we need to store inside of one variable. Both. Both means drag or drop. Both we need to store inside of one variable. Okay. Yeah. Next line. Next line. If you want to do the drag and drop, the action will provide the, if we want to do the drag and drop, the action will provide the command. The action will provide the command. We can use that. The action will provide the command. We can use that. You guys are put the space. Yeah. How to do the double click? How to do the double click? If you want to perform double click action, if we want to perform double click action, if we want to perform double click action on any element, if you want to perform double click action on any element, we need to verify the element is double click or not. We need to verify the element is double click or not. Okay, this is the first point. Second point, the expected element, the expected element, the expected element is there inside of the frame or HTML. The expected element is there inside of the frame or HTML. We need to verify. The expected element is there inside of the frame or HTML. We need to verify. Okay, done. Next point. If it is frame, we need to write the frame command. If it is frame, we need to write the frame command. If it is frame, we need to write the frame command. You know frame command? Driver dot switch to dot. Next line. Next line. If it is frame, we need to write frame command. Next line. Once we provide the action on that element, once we provide the action on that element, once we provide the action on that element, the element provide some response. The element provide some response. Full stop. The element provide some response. Full stop. Next line. If we want to print the response, if we want to print the response, get the locator. If we want to print response, if we want to print that response, get the locator, get the locator, get the locator, get the locator with text method, with get the locator with the get text method. Is it clear now? Get the locator with the get text method. Okay. Put the heading, right click. Right click. Okay. Yeah. If we want to validate, if we want to validate, if we want to validate any element, any, if we want to validate on any element, if we want to validate on any element, right click is properly working or not. If we want to validate on any element, right click is properly working or not, we need to apply the action command. We need to apply the action command. Full stop. Next line. We need to apply the action command. Full stop. Next line. For right click, the actions will provide context click. For right click, the actions will provide context click. Okay. Note. The right click is not working. The right click is not working. The element is developed by JSE. The right click is not working. The element is developed by JSE. Okay. Next one. The element is developed by JSE, by using JSE. The element is developed by using JSE. Okay. The right click is not working. The element is developed by JSE. Okay. JavaScript executor. Okay. Next line. Mouse over action. You guys are put the space and mouse over action. Okay. Yeah. If you want to verify the mouse actions on any element, if you want to verify the mouse actions on any element, comma, on any element, comma, when we are put the mouse on the element, when we are put the mouse on element without action, without action, the element information, it should be displayed. The element information, it should be displayed without any action. The element information, it should be displayed. Okay, full stop. Next line. Once it is displaying, once it is displaying, we need to choose the expected element. We need to choose the expected element. Then click on apply. Then click on action. We need to choose the expected element. Then click on element, not action. Then click on element. We need to choose the expected element. Then click on expected. Then click on what I'm saying. Yeah, click on element. Before I said action. Yeah, then click on element. Then click on element. Okay. Yeah, next line. If we want to do the above actions, the actions will provide. If we want to do the above actions, the actions will provide move to element. If we want to do the above actions, the actions will provide move to element command. Move, underline, move to element command. Move to element command. Done? You guys are put the space. How to select the expected text from search bar? How to select the expected text from search bar? It is clear, huh? How to select the expected text from search bar? Guys, this is code is very important code. Okay, you guys are practice. I will conduct one assignment. Okay. Overall Selenium I will conduct. Please do practice. How many months is completed? 1.5 month is completed. 2 months is completed. Sorry, exact how many days is completed? What is the session starting time? August 28, September 28, 1 month, October 28, 1 month. Oh, 6 days. Within 6 days, 3 months. Yeah, 3 months, 20 days, I said. 3 months, 20 days. Yeah. Within 2 days, the Selenium will be closed. Test NG, I will start. Test NG, I will start. Test NG, it will be take working 7 days. Next one, data driven and Cucumber, it will be take working 4 days. Working 4 to 5 days. 4 days. Total 6 plus 4, 10 days. And after that, API, it will be take 9 working days. 9 working days. Okay. Plus 10 to 9, 19. Git and Jenkins, it will be take 4 days. 23 days. Database 2 days. Total 25. How many days is spending? Exact. Nearby 4 months. Okay. If I want to complete the complete API testing, see, one project also I will show you API testing. If I want to do that one, it will be take time, guys. If you need a fast track, definitely I will take a fast track. Okay. So if you need a normal track, it will be take some time. Okay. 3 months, 20, sorry, fast track. If I want to take a fast track today, I am able to complete the JavaScript executor also. Only one time I will write I will explain. Next, immediately I will move to the next code. That is the fast track. Normal track, this is not a normal track, below normal track. Okay. The next one, how to select the expected text from the search bar. Adina heading. Yeah. Write down. Points wise, you guys are write down. Once we launch the expected browser, once we launch the expected browser, once we launch the expected browser, we need to enter, we need to enter in search bar, we need to enter in search bar expected text. Okay, we need to enter in search bar expected text. Full stop. Next line. Once we enter the partial text, once we enter the partial text, once we enter the partial text, the text related comma, once we enter the partial text comma, the text related, the text related information, it should be displayed. The text related information, it should be displayed on below. The text related information, it should be displayed on below. Full stop. Next line. If you want to select a expected text under the below, if you want to select expected text under the below, we need to verify one by one. We need to verify one by one. We need to verify one by one, comma. When we reach the expected element, when we reach the expected element, apply the enter button. When we reach the expected element, apply the enter button. When we reach the expected element, apply enter button. Next line. Next line. If we want to verify one by one, if we want to verify one by one, we need to use below command. We need to use below command. Write down line number 26. We need to write below command. We need to use below command. If you want to verify one by one, we need to use below command. Line number 26. Put the box. Okay, done? Yeah, write down. Next line. For example, we are able to select the sixth one or seventh one. Write down. For example, we are able to select the sixth one or seventh one. If we want to select a fifth, if we want to select, if we want to select 50th position, if we want to select 50th position, 50th. If you want to select 50th position, we are unable to write the above command 50 times. We are unable to write the above command 50 times. We are unable to write the above command 50 times. The time we need to use which loop? For loop. The time we need to use for loop. We are by using next line. The time we need to use for loop. By using for loop, we are able to select the expected text. Put the gap. We are able to select the expected text. By using for loop, we are able to select the expected text. It is done now. Okay. Yeah. Put the heading JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor. That is a heading, main heading, type 3. Type 1, type 2, type 3. Type 1 is the traditional process. Type 2 is the action. Type 3 is the JavaScript executor. Okay. Write down. If we want to handle any type of element, if we want to handle any type of element, type 1 comma type 2, type 1 comma type 2 is not working. If we want to handle any element, comma type 1 comma type 2 is not working, we need to use JSE commands. We need to use JSE commands. Next line. Next line. The Selenium WebDriver. The Selenium WebDriver unable to provide the existing JSE command. The Selenium WebDriver unable to provide the existing JSE commands. The Selenium WebDriver unable to provide the existing JSE commands. Next line. If you want to write a, if we want to write a JSE command, if we want to write a JSE command, manually we need to write. If we want to write a JSE command, manually we need to write. Manually we need to write. Okay, note. While writing the JSE command, while writing the JSE command, while writing the JSE command, colon, comma, while writing the JSE command, colon, comma, full stop, comma, correct, full stop, comma, double quote, comma, colon. See on the board. See guys, colon, comma, full stop, comma, double quote, comma. Okay, anything is miss, anything is miss, anything is miss, the command is not working. The command is not working. While writing the JavaScript command, colon, comma, full stop, comma, double quote, comma, anything is miss, the command is not working. Okay, before we miss small topic, before JavaScript executor, that is the difference between the driver.find element and find elements. Okay, I forget. If it is gap, you guys are write down. Just 2 lines, only 2 lines. You guys are put the note under the note. You guys are write down. No need to put the heading. If it is, if you guys are put the heading, it will be take more space. So just you guys are put the note. Okay, yeah, write down. The driver dot find element. The driver dot find element find the specific, or the driver dot find element find the specific or specific or dynamic element, dynamic element, specific or dynamic element. Next line. The driver dot find elements, the driver dot find elements validate the DOM. The driver dot find elements validate the DOM. Same tag names, how many tags is there? Same tag name, how many tags is there? Same tag name, how many tags is there? Okay, is it clear now? Same tag name, how many inside of the DOM. Find element, it is identify specific or dynamic element. Find elements, it is verify same tag name, how many elements is there. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, it is important, guys. Write the commands, JavaScript commands, or else take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. You need to write before the session tomorrow these commands. comma, colon, any single code, anything is missed, that is not working. Then now it is done. Okay. Now I will write a one code for the JavaScript executor. Done now? Now I will write a one code for JavaScript executor. We have a time, guys. We are able to make a one code. It's at basic CXP 32. WebDriver, driver, and next one, public, void, launch AUT. We need to provide launch method. Once you guys are provide the launch method and send data and go to, we need to write one more public void send data driver dot find element by dot id. I need to provide this one web element search. I need to import the web element and go to website, right click on here, inspect, and here I will make it the, so I need to write a JavaScript execute in public area. Why? Because every method able to access JavaScript executor JSC. So import JavaScript executor, and after that we need to write the JavaScript executor JSC equal to JavaScript executor driver. JavaScript executor driver. And after that, you guys are observe, I need to write the command JSC dot execute script. Here we need to provide zero dot value equals to and after that we need to put the colon, and here search you need to provide. Let's wait some time. Thread dot slave. And after that, once I enter the data, what I need to do? Huh? Once I enter the data, public void click JavaScript executor driver dot find element by dot id. Just here we need to provide web element click. Just I need to pick this one, copy, paste, and after that let's wait some time. And JSC dot execute script dot click, and we need to call here click. Control S. Before execute this command, we need to verify the commands. Both commands is right or wrong. Obj dot launch, obj dot send data, obj dot click. Okay, done. So I need to verify the commands. Copy this command. Where? Copy this command. Go to send data. Where is this? This one. Send data. Everything is same. Everything is same, guys. Huh? Yes, correct. Arguments, not argument. If you guys are provide argument, that is not working. So, see, now I will paste it here. I will paste it here. Arguments, value, okay, data, comma, such. Okay. And coming to the click, click. This is the click. Everything is same. So go to website, go to code, right click, run Java. See guys, I am able to execute, launch the browser. I think this is 1 minute. Launch the browser. That one also we are able to handle. Okay. Amazon. Just I need to copy. If it is came same like, okay. So I need to enter the iPhone. It is not entered. So we got error. JavaScript exception. That command is arguments is not defined. We are not define the argument. Yes, we define the argument. Spelling mistake. Okay, done now. I said that's why I'm telling. Anything is miss, it is not to execute. Launch the browser, enter the iPhone, and click on search button. That's it. By using JavaScript executor. By using JavaScript execute. If you want to click on this one, we are able to click on this one by using JavaScript executor. Get the locator, store inside of the one variable, and after that we need to write a command for the JavaScript executor, apply the click action. It is clear? Any doubt? Okay. One is completed, click related completed, send related completed. Okay. Click related completed, send related completed. Remaining 8 commands is there. I am able to complete, try to complete tomorrow session. If it is not completed, I will take next day. Day after tomorrow, I will start the test ng framework. Okay. Day after tomorrow, I will start the test ng framework. So the session is going fast, not session, subject. Okay. But you guys are practice or not, I don't know. See, I said everything, guys, clearly. The Selenium is very easy, but without practice, it is very difficult. After completion of the course, you didn't blame anyone. Okay. See, which is required in real time. Everything I explained clearly. So you guys are need to practice. You are able to practice or not? You guys practice or not? How many codes is completed? Selenium 20. 20 codes. Shall I conduct the assignment? I will conduct one real-time text. I will conduct one real-time text objective types coming soon. Sunday only you can write. Okay, guys, I will conduct the assignment, real time assignment, manual testing, objective types, ABCD. Total 25 is there. The 25 bits I will conduct. Okay, only manual testing, real time. Not I was not created in my company. Every month, every 2 months, they conduct one assignment. Internal candidates, the company people will conduct the assignment type like one text. Must and should the text is need to qualify. Out of 25 marks, we need to get a 24 marks in real time. So same text what I did in 1 week back, same text I will provide here. Same questions and screenshot. Every question I discuss already. Okay, you guys are verify, I will show you. Okay, not now guys, I will so many people are unable to attend, so I will try to do, if I got a full strength, definitely I will conduct. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? And Selenium also, just only one day I will conduct. See, for exam, for assignment, only I will take 2 days. One day for manual, one day for automation. Okay, that is the last. If I want to take more days, one more day, 2 more days, I am unable to complete the content within the time. That is the problem. The 11 o'clock batch, 4 months, 3 days, it will be take. 4 months, 3 days. But what happened here for notes? The reason is the notes. The reason, the notes, it will be take more time. I was started the notes 10:05. It is taking 10:35. So 30 minutes. Every day we have 30 to 25 minutes is gone for the note. But notes is important. That is mandatory. Okay, no problem, guys. I am able to complete the Selenium within the target time. Okay, 3 months, 20 to 4 months. Okay, I will try to do, but I no need to skip anything, guys. Everything I will explain. Lakshmi, if you want to do the automation testing, the manual test cases we are able to automate. Which test case you are able to automate? Which is involved more than application functionality? The test case you need to automate. Okay. Separately, the manual scripts, automation scripts, we no need to write. Not required. Time waste process. Already manual testers is make it the manual test cases. Within the test case, you need to choose which is the which test case having more than application functionality. The test case you need to automate. That is the process. Clear, Lakshmi? Any doubt? Anybody? Do you have any doubt? ఆల్రెడీ పంపించాను కదా మొత్తం లేవా ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఓకే and codes I will provide, guys. The Selenium notes and codes I will provide. Selenium notes I am unable to provide in this time. The code I will provide. What is that one? ABS 9. 4. ABS 9 4. August 28th. ABS 4. Okay, done. The code also I provided already. Okay. You guys are need to practice. Any doubt? Okay, guys. I will continue tomorrow. Bye. If you have any doubts, you guys are ask me. Like in Java. Java also submit. Yeah.
Selenium మీద interview శ్రీరామ్ కూడా
ఏదైతే డిస్కస్ చేశారో అనిపించదు.
అదే అంటే క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా అడుగుతారు అనేది ఐడియా.
జీరోలో ఏం చేస్తారు? ఎఫెక్ట్ ఎలా వర్క్ చేస్తారు? జీరోలో స్ప్రింట్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు? జీరోలో ఇష్యూ టైప్ ఎలా ఇష్యూ టైప్ అంటే ఏంటి అని ఎపిక్ టాస్క్ బగ్ స్టోరీ ఎపిక్ అంటే స్టోరీ అంటే అవన్నీ చెప్పాను. ఓకే, జీరోలో టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ ఎలా రాస్తారు, దేంట్లో రాస్తారు, ఈ ఒక టెస్ట్ కేసు రాయండి అని చెప్పేసి సిస్టమ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు.
జీరోలో టెస్ట్ కేస్ అనేది బై యూజ్ త్రీ టైప్స్ లో రాయొచ్చు అనేసి వన్ టైప్ డిస్కస్. టెస్ట్ కేస్ అనేది త్రీ వేస్ లో రాయొచ్చు వన్ వే డిస్కస్.
ప్లెయిన్ టెక్స్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి అందరికీ చెప్పలేదా? చెప్తారా?